when there were strikes and you get a ball called.
That one is looped right side.
Wow.
And it drops in for a base hit. Headley will score. A bloop single for Chris Young. The Yankees are up 1-0. Schoop and Davis kept looking at each other, and then it falls untouched.
Well, there's Buck Showalter, and he hasn't seen a lot of this. I mean, the Orioles catch the baseball. Defensively, they do. Right there, you see bad footwork and kind of indecisive on Schoop's part, but the Yankees just steal a run right there. Chris Young steals a base hit.